Hey everybody! In today's very short video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to boil eggs in your Instant Pot. Alright, so I'm just going to show you how I do it. I've got this basket accessory which is sold separately and it's ideal for steaming vegetables and whatever. So I use this. If you don't have one of these, you probably have the trivet that comes with the Instant Pot. That would be ideal too. If you don't have that, maybe you can just put the eggs directly in the Instant Pot. I haven't tested that, so I can't say it works, but it should be fine. So I'll stick that in. Today I'm just going to be doing 3 eggs, so I'll put those in. And then next step, 1 cup of water. All right, put the lid on. Make sure it's in the sealing position. And let's run it for 5 minutes. Now, you want to run it somewhere between 4 and 7 minutes. For me, 5 is about right to get the consistency that I want. Okay, so it just finished and I'm going to release the pressure. This is why I like the basket, because you can just pull them straight out. And I'm going to run these under cold water. Okay, I'm just going to crack one of these open and show you exactly what it looks like in the inside, so that you can use that to gauge how many minutes you want to cook your eggs for. First of all, you'll see that they're very, very easy to peel, which is great. And now, if I cut this in half, there you go. So, I mean, these are quite well done. Maybe you could go a minute less, but for me, this is just great. Okay, so once again, I hope you found that video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.